you've got your helicopter down, you're pretty good at that. It's time for the helicopter tap. That is one of my personal favorite tricks. So for me, as I circle to the right, when I hit with my left hand over to my right hand is going to be tapping it, and if you get it going in a helicopter very flat, then whichever stick you're tapping with, you're only ever going to hit right in the center, and when you can see it's visibly perpendicular to your hand stick. So otherwise it's going to fall off. So if you get it going, hit. Sometimes it's hard to get it every half rotation, which is how quickly I'm hitting it for that. So you can wait a full rotation, but you're only going to want to ever contact it when it is perpendicular.